stick with it for now. I came too far. The clear coat had a bad reaction with the paint. I don't know if it's supposed to do that. I'm positive that it's not supposed to crinkle your paint. We didn't get it on all of it though. I literally just started spray painting and I just saw it happen. We didn't get any on this side. So if this dries and it's actually cured in the morning, I'll leave it be for the time being. And once I get it assembled and actually built, we'll go ahead and sand this section down or paint strip it or whatever and redo the paint. But it's not like terrible. It is terrible, but I didn't get it on everything, just on this little part right here. That's really disappointing. I'm pretty upset with that. I don't know why the clear coat reacted that bad with the paint. So we'll see in the morning. I did put a coat of spray paint over it just to kind of seal it and see tomorrow. And if it's good tomorrow and it's nice and solid, then we'll wait until we have more time to strip it back down and sand it and repaint it. Didn't get any on the handlebars though, so we're not going to be using clear coat on this bike because apparently it doesn't react too well with the paint. I mean, it's been curing since 6 o'clock this morning. It's 9 now, so it had full time to cure. That's like what, 12 hours? I'll look up what the cure time is on spray paint and whatever, but not good. Not good at all. That's the worst part of it. That's probably gonna end up chipping off. But if it's not too bad in the morning and it's not peeling off, we will, when I find time, repaint some of this. But yeah, that's really disappointing.